Well, with Valentine's Day right around the corner, why not express and celebrate your love with an elevated dining experience? We're talking about My Sweet Valentine, a dinner experience at the Reserves Hamilton Homes in Mableton. And joining us right now, venue owner Austin Samuels and award-winning chef from AV Gourmet Catering, Chef Alexis Valentine. Gentlemen, thank you so much for joining me this morning.
Thank you so much, Sharon.
Oh, this looks incredible. But first, we're going to start with you.
Yes.
We're going to talk about this incredible venue that you have now, and the relationship that you guys have too, like how this came together.
Okay, definitely. So with the Reserves at Hamilton Homes, it's a beautiful, unique 7,000 square foot, two-level event space.
Yeah.
Just located 20 minutes from Atlanta in the heart of Mapleton. And what we're doing is we're pretty much revolutionizing the hospitality industry with different type of events like weddings and pop-ups like this Valentine's dinner experience.
And this is probably something that's going to be taking place each and every year now,
right?
Sure,
yes. This is our,
And we're taking a look at some of the pictures right now, the images on the screen. This is something, your image, your vision basically came through during a very difficult time that the world was dealing with, right?
Yes, yes.
Talk to us about that.
Yes, when I found the property, it was a passion project of mine that I found, and pretty much it spoke to me. I knew that this was something that the community needed for a venue and for a hub. And what we're looking to do is be the central point for the community in Mableton.
And this took place during the pandemic.
Yes, during COVID, yes.
Wow, well, bravo for everything that you did.
Thank you.
And bravo, Chef, because this looks incredible. Talk to us about what we're going to be making.
Okay, so I'm preparing, which we will have on our Valentine's Day experience at the Reserves at Hamilton Homes, a three-course menu.
Ooh.
And it's absolutely delicious. We have prepared for you a caprese stacked salad with fresh buffalo mozzarella that I've handmade myself, farmers market tomatoes, which we love to shop locally everywhere we can. And for an entree here, we have a classic filet mignon Oscar style, which is a filet mignon, the most tender cut of beef, topped with jumbo lump crab meat. I have also prepared a heart-shaped potato croquette for the special occasion, and we've paired it with farmers market gold leaf tipped asparagus. And here I have prepared a little fresh hollandaise sauce that I will just ladle across the top of the crab cake, and it will just set it off really delicious.
Beautiful, beautiful. And Chef, talk to us about why you have this passion for cooking, because it's deep-rooted.
Well, thank you for asking. So I've learned recently that I am of the Gullah Geechee Nation of people. Chef comes in my family, everyone in my family cooks. I come from a long line of chefs for as far back as we've been in this country, so I'm honored to continue with the tradition and keep up with it.
And how did it feel, actually, for two of you guys doing this together? Because this is the first time, so how did this come together, this relationship?
Yeah, so as far as how it came together, I think this is just us showing off our art and giving it back to the world. It was his vision that he had and the vision that I had, and it came together seamlessly.
And AV Gourmet is award-winning dining experience, right?
Yes, absolutely.
It's a catering company. Talk to us about that as well.
Sure. So we've been in business for 11 years now. The thing about us is we cook food from all over the planet, no matter where you're from. One of the specialties we love to do is just to really sample cultural cuisine from all over.
Yes.
So no matter what your budget is, no matter where you're from, no matter what affair you have, AV Gourmet is the caterer for you.
Chef Valentine, perfect for the time too.
Yes.
Let's have you just finish it up, because I think we're running out of time as well.
So I'm just going to start off with our caprese salad here. I'm going to drizzle a little reduction of a balsamic glaze that we've reduced and made for it here. We'll top it off with a little imported Greek olive oil.
Beautiful.
And finish it off with a little fleur de sal and fresh cracked black pepper.
Well, we start with, we eat with our eyes first. So this presentation is scrumptiously delicious. So we haven't even taken the first bite.
As you see, we've completed already. Our filet mignon Oscar style is absolutely delicious. I can't wait for you to try it.
Okay.
And we'll finish it off with a nice traditional love me on top brownie. Everyone loves a brownie.
Love me on top.
Of course, this is the strawberry brownie, and we're going to top it off with a little fresh, traditional, delicious ice cream from one of our local farmers. A little hot fudge.
Oh, beautiful.
Yes.
Oh, so nice. And Austin, really quickly, too, there's going to be a Cupid Lounge before and after. Talk to us about that as well.
Yes, so as far as what our guests will experience, all our guests will be greeted with champagne, Live music and entertainment, a chance to take photos around the venue, and of course, our Cupid Lounge and a wonderful 3-course meal.
Beautiful, as we see right here. Gentlemen, thank you so much for joining me this morning. My Sweet Valentine, a dinner experience, is happening on Valentine's Day at the Reserves at Hamilton Homes. We'll share more information on our website, fox5atlanta.com.